Hey YouTube, it's Ashley and you're watching The Substance Project, where we work to bring you more than makeup tips and fashion tutorials every Wednesday. Today I wanted to share a really interesting article that I read on Business Insider. It corresponds with some of the videos that we've posted previously on women rocking it in the workplace, but frankly they're being far too few in leadership. So Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary came out saying that all of his companies run by women are outperforming those run by men right now. He says, quote, "I don't have a single company run by a man that's outperforming the ones run by women." So he has 27 companies in his portfolio, and 55% of those has female CEOs. He said that that's not something he necessarily has looked for in investing, but something that he's actually asking his analysts to look back onto and to see whether this trend of female-run businesses being more profitable is something that has remained consistent over time. He says a couple interesting things in the article about, if you want something done, give it to a busy mom, and women being great multitaskers and just being able to get a lot of things done. Whatever the reason, I think more and more unbiased views of businesses are showing that having females in leadership positions is not only good for the company, not only good for diversity, but actually good for business results. Thank you, Kevin O'Leary, for highlighting this, and cheers to all those women leading those companies. Thanks for watching today. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up. Maybe think about subscribing, or maybe even share us with somebody who might like this content. Your girlfriend, your mom, your sister, your friend. Okay, come back soon. Bye.